Networking at events can sometimes seem a little bit daunting, but here are a few tips so that you can sail right through that event. First of all, recognize that you have something in common with everybody in that room. You all came to that event. So at a minimum, you are all interested in either meeting other people or listening to the content that will be presented. Number two, beforehand, think about what you want to tell people about who you are. Hi, I'm here because, or wow, this is my third event like this. What brought you here? Start to ask people a couple of questions, but be ready to tell them something about yourself and be thoughtful about what that is before you get there. Then make sure that you make it a goal to connect with at least 5 people in the room. Obviously, you may not connect with all 5 of them after the event, but at least 2 or 3, you will have made a connection that you can follow up on and begin to invest and build a relationship. Go get them.